Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making scallion braised wood ear mushrooms. It looks simple, but trust me, it's glossy, fragrant, and goes perfectly with a bowl of hot rice. Alright, let's get started. Grab one big scallion white, cut it into chunks. Next, prepare a few garlic cloves. And here are some soaked dried wood ear mushrooms. They have expanded nicely and are ready to go. That's all we need. Simple ingredients, big flavor. First, bring a wok of water to a boil and add about a teaspoon of salt. Drop in the wood ear mushrooms. This quick blanch helps them stay crisp. Boil for about a minute, then strain them out. Don't rinse with cold water, but do drain off excess moisture. Heat up the wok and add a good amount of oil. Add the garlic. Let it sizzle for a few seconds. Then toss in the wood ear mushrooms. Give it a quick stir. And now add the scallion whites. Stir fry everything together for a moment. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and about 5 grams of oyster sauce. Keep stir frying over high heat until everything is well coated. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all up. And add about 200 milliliters of water. Let it simmer for a minute or two. This lets the flavor soak into the mushrooms. Now drizzle in a little slurry of cornstarch and water to thicken the sauce. You will see it turn glossy and start to cling beautifully to the mushrooms. Finally, add half a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil. This step really lifts the flavor. If you don't have it, no worries, it's optional. Give it a last quick stir, and we are done. Look at that shine. The wood ear mushrooms are tender yet bouncy, coated in that rich scallion sauce. It smells incredible. This dish with a bowl of rice? You will be going back for a second for sure. Let me have a bite. The wood ear mushrooms are perfectly chewy and full of flavor. Even though it's a totally vegetarian dish, it's seriously delicious. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.